I can tell you, from experience, some industries that would be key for you, and maybe you're already talking to them: medical, aerospace, exotic metals. Is that something you're looking at?
Absolutely. Yeah, something that's a little unique about us is we're not really specialized. We're a true job shop, and we have a lot of capacity with a wide range of capabilities that allows us to go after the automation, medical, semiconductor industries. And what's nice about diversifying, the machines are able to kind of handle pretty much everything.
Right.
You just have to make sure you're dynamic enough to run what you need through the machines, and that allows you to really weather these peaks and valleys. Everyone saw semiconductor industry go nuts,
Yes.
in 2020, 2021, and then now it's automation, and then that's starting to cool down, and the medical's heating up. So being able to really offer solutions across these industries makes you a lot more stable and robust to weather these economic storms, so to speak.
So my last question is, we always have a goal, right? Mutual success, and put you in the best position possible to get more work, build your business, because if your business builds, our business builds. And one of the things we always promote is dollars per square foot. Mm-hmm. You touched on it a little bit earlier, right? That these are the best producing machines in your shop.
Yeah.
And the future looks great. Any last comments about the future?
Oh, well, I'm excited. I'll
Thank
say
you.
that. Like I said, we're really just scratching the surface of the technology. I mean, really the capabilities here are limitless, especially the complex medical parts that you get into.
Yes.
You're not just talking about screws and bolts, you're talking about unique threads and really complex features. And as we build up that capability internally and in conjunction with your team, which you guys have been phenomenal, we're really excited about that. And I'm really excited to start expanding this cell here.
So when we started this process, you sent us the inquiry, we looked at your parts prints, we did some cycle time estimates. But one of the things we pride ourselves on is educating our customers and not trying to sell you a machine, but sell you a solution. How did we satisfy that need?
Yeah, well, you guys did great.
Thank you.
For us, we didn't know anything about, really the Swiss market. I mean, I guess we knew about it,
Right.
but really there's a lot to it. And what we needed was not somebody just trying to sell us that piece of equipment. We really needed to understand, okay, what do all these things mean? What's the difference between a 10 and a 12, right? An L32 versus an L20, understanding the diameters, the types of materials it offers, but well beyond that, how to approach the market, how to make sure every single step of the process is understood so we're making an informed decision. And I think you guys did a phenomenal job understanding what we needed as far as information and education first. So we were on a stable footing to really understand the market and make an informed decision overall. You weren't just trying to sell us your machines, you were really trying to create somebody that understood the market and helped us really understand our problem that we needed solved. And then you offered the solution, which was icing on the cake.
Thank you. Because a lot of times people get stuck in the recs and specs of machines, and it doesn't matter how much the machine weighs or how many tools it has. If it doesn't help you make good parts, none of it matters.
Yeah, and we really appreciated that. Trying to compare stat sheets of horsepower and initial torque and things like that. At the end of the day, I need parts, right? I don't need specific types of torque.
Right.
Obviously, that all comes together, but there's so much more to it. Especially I can put a piece of equipment on the floor. If I can't make that part, I have a problem, right?
Yes.
I need somebody I can call that can offer me the assistance, the advice on tooling, that can help our guys with a program when they're stuck. At the end of the day, I need parts in a bucket that are good to customer specification, and that's really where you guys deliver, right? You sell finished parts and the process to make that happen, not just a piece of equipment.
Thank you, Roy. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Jeff.